Whenever you are trying to install the npm, or whenever you are trying to create a project, whenever you face this issue like could not resolve or could not resolve the dependency, we need to be resolve this by using one of the command. So I will let you know how to resolve this. To resolve this issue, I'm using this command. This command is npm config set legacy-peer-deps true. So you need to use this command. I will be give this command under the description, so you may take from there. So once you given that command and give the enter, this problem will get resolved once you configure this legacy-peer-deps. Let's see by entering this. So now we can give an enter here. It's got get config here. So let we check by installing again the package, and let me look on this whether the issue gets solved or not. Now we can give that package. I'm giving the package name now, npm I at zoom web SDK. I'm installing now, so that that issue should not come now. So I'm installing now. It's taking some time. So now see the problem got fixed. The you can able to install or uninstall, or you can make to create a project one by using this command. You can be config that npm and you can be resolve it. So I will be give that command over in description, so you can check it and using that, and you can config that, and the problem will be get resolved. Thanks for watching.